Ever feel like the world is against you? Let me tell you about J.K. Rowling before she created the magical world of Harry Potter. She was a single mother, struggling to make ends meet and facing rejection from 12 different publishers. But she didn't give up. She believed in her story when no one else did. Or how about Nick Vujicic? Born without arms or legs, he could have let despair win. Instead, he travels the world, inspiring millions with his message of hope and resilience, proving that our limitations are only what we allow them to be. These stories show us that our current struggles don't define our future. Your breakthrough could be just around the corner. What's your dream? Keep pushing for it. Thanks for watching. If you found this inspiring, hit that like button and subscribe for more stories that move the world.